No. It's weird though. Our theater teachers are weird. She's like, you gotta do this and you gotta.
Shalanya wenda. Enjoy. Kalau lutan how good.
Oh my goodness.
Sen hapiste. Karın at.
Maar in de Emila. Daar speelde we die was hier. International. Undergrad man
가만히 있다가 섬셔서 잘. 드니야 pau니 저도 다게 가무도 종뭐 종업원들이 림보 따고 말 림보
And the joke they are, you have to say something that you are grateful for. Okay, at the end. So that's an additional one. I'm not judging that.
Just 계신다던데.
I'm not judging. 아니 정말 서프라이즈 give you the 보고 상관. 아니 디다 부서 디다 이제 쪽에 양용사에 주다. 이 정말 서포트 하고 싶을 수 있어요.
Thanksgiving starts with the arrival of the Pilgrims from England to Massachusetts. And when they arrived, they had a hard time surviving because of a very harsh winter, and so much of their population died. But the Wampanoag Indians who were living in the area offered them help. And to celebrate their friendship, they feasted for 3 days, and this is what became known as Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving is a day for us to celebrate the people that we're thankful for, everything that we're grateful for in our life. But it's also important to recognize that there's another side to Thanksgiving. Today is also a national day of mourning for Native Americans. Native Americans recognize their genocide, the loss of their culture and assimilation, and the theft of their lands that happened that made Thanksgiving what it is today. And so when we're giving our thanks today, we should also recognize that everything that we have today wouldn't be possible without the Native Americans. Thank you. I'm thankful for the Native Americans.
Every year there's 40 million turkeys killed for Thanksgiving, but did you know that during that year, 1 or 2 is freed by the President of the United States? So this started when the President, Franklin Delano Roosevelt, was given 2 turkeys, and he, instead of killing the turkeys and eating it, he sent it to a pet farm so it could stay there for the rest of his life, and that began the tradition of pardoning turkeys to the point where they're never killed again. So and then the things that I'm grateful for while the turkeys are grateful for their freedom, I'm grateful for my parents and my family that love me a lot. So yeah.
Thanksgiving is a holiday celebrated in the U.S. and Canada alike. From people outside the country, it was referred as American Thanksgiving. Since 1621, the year of the first recorded Thanksgiving, Americans have been celebrating Thanksgiving till this day. Thanksgiving started with the colonists arriving in Plymouth, a colony in America, hunting wild turkey. Since they had killed a week's supply of turkey in one day, they had a surprise visit from the neighboring native tribe, the Wampanoag people. They began to socialize without any incidents, whether it was hurting each other or arguments. When the Pilgrims finally had their first successful harvest, they decided to celebrate with the Wampanoag people, which then became the first Thanksgiving. The Wampanoag people contributed to the feast, which included the fowl, fish, eels, shellfish, stews, vegetables, and beer, along with the harvest of the Pilgrims. Since Plymouth had a few buildings and manufactured goods, most people ate outside while sitting on the ground or on barrels with plates up on their laps. The men fired guns, ran races, and drank liquor, struggling to speak in broken English and Wampanoag. This was a rather disorderly affair, but it was sealed a treaty between the two groups that lasted until King Philip's War from 1675 to 1676, in which hundreds of colonists and thousands of Americans lost their lives. Thank you. I'm thankful for my family, well, mostly my mom and dad.
I'm 11 years old.
Louder.
I'm Jenna, 11 years old. The first Thanksgiving was nothing like the Thanksgiving we now celebrate.
You might have heard of American deer, cod, base, flint, corn, and porridge. The Native Americans sat on the ground while the pilgrims sat on the table. Together, 130 people shared food. Did you know historians believe that there's only 5 women present? And I'm grateful for my family and everyone here, okay? It's about why Americans eat turkey on Thanksgiving. As celebrated in the United States, the holiday of Thanksgiving usually revolves around a bountiful meal, typically dishes including bread, stuffings, potato, cranberry sauce, pumpkin pie, and above all, turkey. How did turkey become the centerpiece of this feast? It is often assumed that today's Thanksgiving menu oriented in an event commonly referred to as the first Thanksgiving. There is indeed evidence of a meal shared between pilgrim settlers at Plymouth Colony in what is now Massachusetts and Wampang people in late 1621. But there is no indication that turkey was served for meat. The Wampang people brought deer and the pilgrims provided wild fowl. Strictly speaking, that fowl could have been turkeys, which were native to the area, but historians think it was probably ducks or geese. What's more, the pilgrim do not appear to have considered this meal a milestone worthy of special commemoration. No 17th century refers to its existence beyond a letter written by Plymouth colonist Edward Wilson. For the pilgrims, giving thanks for the autumn harvest wasn't a new concept, as a tradition with roots in European harvest festivals and Christian religions observances. Day of Thanksgiving were fairly common. 10 million turkeys in America at the time of European contact. Second, turkeys on a family farm were almost always available for slaughter, while live cows and hens were useful as long as they were producing milk and eggs. Respectively, turkeys were generally raised only for their meat, and thus could readily be killed. Third, a single turkey was usually big enough to feed a family. Nevertheless, turkeys were not yet synonymous with Thanksgiving. Some people have credited Charles Dickens' A Christmas Carol with fostering the idea of turkey as the holiday meal, but another writer, Sarah Joseph Hale, played an arguably more important role in her 1827 novel, Northwood. She devoted an entire chapter to a description of a New England Thanksgiving with the roasted turkey placed at the head of the table. At about the same time, she also began campaigning to establish Thanksgiving as a national holiday in the United States, which she believed would help unify the country as it's teetering towards civil war. Her efforts finally paid off in 1863 with the presidential proclamation by Abraham. Thanksgiving became an official American holiday, and national mythology formed around it. An 1841 collection of pilgrim writing had referred to the meal described by Winslow as the first Thanksgiving. Although Winslow didn't specifically mention turkey, his fellow colonist William Batford did refer to a great store of wild turkeys at Plymouth that fall. In a journal that has been reprinted in 1856 before long, the cultural links between pilgrims, turkeys, and Thanksgiving became an inextricable and integral part of American school children's education. From a more practical perspective, turkey has also remained relatively affordable. Although the wild turkey is considered endangered in the early 20th century, its population once again stands in the millions. In addition, modern breeding practices have helped make turkeys both larger and cheaper than ever, thus ensuring their continued place in the Thanksgiving table.
You have to say what you're grateful for.
My friends, I guess.
먼저 다른 먼저 미참아 땡큐 디저라 투셔낭라리 아니 다른 강이 모모라 투셔낭라이 같이 나나 팔아 안나 미데 모모라 따도 체칼라세리 아니 냠돌라 레가 칼레 카푸 예데 모모라 로바 치리 말라 레가 키우세 나랑에 키우세리 아니 문제 탐마 디카르라나 모모라 랍자야 버게레 모모라
Happy Thanksgiving.
Good job, Nonzin.
Who gave us some presentation class, right? He gave us some
My name is Sunny. I'm from India, Mongolia. I'm 9 years old. I'm thankful for my family, my friends, and my teachers. They solve my all the problems. They help me, and they help me everything I want to do. Thank you.
My name is Sonam, and I'm 6 years old. I'm grateful for my family and my friends.
That's good.
Sonam,
come here.
Ah, you're the one with the best. Sunny.
릭산 가르쳐야 돼. Jamalora, if you do better next year, you'll get an even bigger surprise here. 이 개발도 나오는 시장에 연도로 안 되는 걸 때에 있는지 이거
Blank check, yes, blank check, really, yes. 당연히.
I sing for money. Let's sing. You can sing. No money, dog. No money. No money. I'll sing no money. 그래서 한국 글씨 아니 나 원래 쇼나 아니 7월에 월요일 때는 가셔 여기 왔다더니 나 말이 하셔 샬라치 네 나 혹시요 남자야
Risa, give me this instead. Risa.
그신이 상담됐어요. 제일 좋은 이만 상담멤버. 바깥으로 합산에 쉬었다에 중고서 다양 인예로 제시어. 그때도 양자분이 필요했어. 너가 세벌러가 제벌러가 주버지벌러가 드린 거 인지가 두진 거 땡스기빙 시버시. 이긴고. 제일 좋은 필요시 쇼시.
Second one is really thankful all of you guys. Then third, I'm really thankful every experience and 人和事怎么说呀？所有经历的这个生活当中经历的人和事，非常感恩这些。all the experience. Yeah. 所以说我今天，因为我也跟你们一样是一个家庭的，所以说我感谢，也是非常歌。
啊，谢谢谢谢。
During Thanksgiving, so once sama zone the big you do, once Elena the me mango yo mare ne samanyam the zone the samba the family do swaki the mango yore once the me khachu chuchu swole kire ine chuchu swole na be khadu zona big you tang ne kyu chungi do ani 근데 나방만 니올라 되니라 먼저 팔라 배바 요 망부 요래 이네 초아 단다 미 묘에나 배 초아디스 근데 한도만 기우로 리드 초아 리드 낭미 초아로 리드라 다미 참아 하고야 보 참아 춘주군 집에 잘 참아 통기다 我切脏了 아니对냠 정말 그 grateful 찼어不知道
background singer. 시민은 송우무. 송우는 안두세냐마 냐세냐 당세 솔라데 냐겐데게 바초이티 송우무 밤에 밤아래 밤에 까마자 밤아래 밤에 밤아래 밤에 밤아래 장사당 땡라 노루마 다노루 당세 살라데 주샤시게 바자이티
사랑자 밤에 밤아래 되야가 유라 부주마 프랑세 제도로 좀체 프랑세 세와 야웨티 콘세갑그 밤에 밤아래 밤에 가마자 밤아래 밤에 밤아래 밤에 밤아래 그래서 그치
这这了，你看这谁是他？这啊，我那个叫什么？现在这你送。
好一朵美丽的茉莉花，好一朵美丽的茉莉花，芬芳美丽满枝桠，又香又白人人花。让我来将一切香送给别人家，茉莉花呀茉莉花。
先爬这吧，老杨。唱这个，怎么讲？唱这个。
I don't live in California, I'll inform you that's not where I reside. I'm just a tenant paying rent inside his body and I got two windows and those windows, well I saw in my eyes. I'm just going where the wind blows, I don't get to decide. Sometimes I think too much, yeah I get so caught up, I'm always stuck in my head.
맞아 보다.
We're just not playing.
You got a winner.
Oh my god. Whoever got the kind of 4D. Oh yeah, you have a deer, right? Oh yeah.
아, coconut dosa.
Yeah, the four corners. First one, that was 6 and 5. 65. Could you hang Jilla? Should get the list. So 6 and 4. Second line, super. 4, 21, 13. Line super done household.
나도 담아지 되게 좋아. 아니 대전에 시에서 잡고 나도 주주하고 도둑이 하면서.
哎呦，这节目要看的，也蛮。